Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan and today I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator light on a 2005 Honda Civic. Now this should work for every tier of the Honda Civic. This happens to be on a Honda Civic Hybrid, but I believe it works for the EX and LX and the SI. So whatever trim level you have, this trick's going to work for you. We just happen to have the hybrid version of that car. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Now I want to say that the service indicator light is not something you should be going on for your engine. I think, don't quote me on this, but I think it's set at like 10,000 miles or 8,000 miles thereabouts, and then the light comes on. Don't go your oil changes based off that. You should really be doing your oil changes. I wouldn't go a mile past 6,000, even with full synthetic. The more you change your oil, the longer your engine's gonna last. So it's in the best interest of the manufacturer to have your engine last a decently long time, but not super long, because then you'd have to buy another car, right? So make sure you're changing your oil pretty regularly. With all out of the way, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, we're gonna reset the maintenance light on this Honda before we get started. Go ahead and show you that it does have a maintenance required light right there. So we need to reset that. And what we're gonna do before we get started too is we're gonna make sure that the vehicle is in park. The windshield wipers are off and the lights are off. So what we're gonna need to do is hold the select reset button while we turn the ignition switch. We're gonna hold that for 10 seconds. So hold that in and then switch the ignition to the second position and hold that for 10 full seconds. And there we go, let it off as soon as you see it disappear, which this one has, and we can verify that it's worked by turning everything completely off. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it. And boom, look at that. Maintenance required light is off. Perfect. So that's how to reset your oil service indicator light. It is really easy and something anybody could do. Don't take your car to a shop to have this light reset, do it yourself. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.